time for another Silva challenge. The fifth participant in the Silva challenge is Jays Diecast Creations. Welcome back, Jay. Anyhow, Jay's box here is going to be a little different than ones you've seen before. And I'm doing a Jay impersonation here. It's going to be a little different than you've seen before, because Jay said not to take any pity on him when I do this boxing, because he's done these style of builds before. And I told him I was going to have the mailman drop off a flaming sack of you-know-what on his porch. So Jay's package here, I've curated a little differently. I've gone through and I've picked out some things ahead of time rather than just shuffling through boxes. So let's put it together. Got this one. Note this has a saw blade. That's kind of cool. Kind of different. Nice engine on that one. Now I'm sure you're going to like that. I mean, come on. It's a Chevelle, right? How can you go wrong with a Chevelle? That's kind of nice. Let me stick that over here. Let's see. This one, I don't want to throw a wrench in the works, Jay, but hey. What? I've got two of these things. This is my chance to get rid of one. This is kind of just a plastic tank off of something. I'm sure you can figure out something to use that for. Yeah. You're having two girls, right? You're having twin girls. So you might want to save that one for them, but maybe not. Here's an old Hot Wheels Fairmont. Now that's kind of cool, you know, and while we're talking about old Hot Wheels, Jay, I know, you did a face reveal recently, and some of us had already seen your face, so we understood why you were putting off showing it. But anyhow, I thought you were probably you sound like, I don't know, like a high school sophomore sometimes, maybe a junior. You're just too damn perky. And I hate perky. But I want you to have a red wine. But yeah, no, this isn't a nice red wine. This is a large charge that, let me put it this way. I've got a couple of them I'm going to restore. This one would not be one of them. This one's beyond restoration. But you get to gas lance maybe a red wine and piss a lot of people off, which is always good. If you're not pissing people off, you're doing something wrong, right? Let's see, that's an old Thunderbolt? I think so. Anyhow, there's that one. Here's some tank treads. Or no, that's a bulldozer, actually. Those are bulldozer treads. Yeah. Now this you might actually like. There's a Muscle Machines Chevelle. Kind of cool, huh? Yeah. Maybe you'll gas lance it. Maybe not. I don't know. Here's another part of a bulldozer. Let's just stick that over there. I don't know what the hell this is. I think it's like almost like a circus act. What's this thing called? A boom car. I think it's like you shoot somebody through it like at a circus kind of thing. So yeah, there you go. That's a winner. This thing's just weird, has a couple engines. They move. It's like, don't ask me why. I don't know why they do that, but they do. I'm trying to make room here. Hey, how about this? Speed trap. I think that's actually what it's called. Yeah, speed trapper. Yeah, what the heck are you gonna do with that? I don't know. It's a challenge, Jay. That's the point of it. And I'm not taking it easy on you, right? I want to make this tough. So we'll throw that in there. Here's like a piece of a trailer that you can probably use for something. I don't know what the heck. Here's a shark. The engines are great on sharks. So let me throw a shark in there. What else am I gonna do? I guess that works there. Let's throw in some parts. So let's see. How about a piece of PVC pipe? Yeah, that'll work. How about another? Here's like a plug for PVC. I know what. Let me put that in there. That'll save some space. That'll work. Wire nuts. Yeah, everybody needs wire nuts in a build. How about, hey, metal caps, metal valve caps, couple of those. There you go. I believe this is a drip irrigation sprinkler. Maybe you make it into a gun of some kind. I'm not being nice, Jay. Here's some wheels. Let's throw some wheels and tires in here. You may notice, before we get to, well, no, let's throw in some other stuff. Hey, here's some resin printed engines and some FDM printed engines. And a bunch of wheels. But more wheels. You notice I'm kind of leaving that spot open. Huh. Here's a couple rams. Here's some guns. Here's some more wheels. Yeah. Let's see, what do we got here? How about some more guns? Yeah, here's some guns. Guns. This stuff is FDM printed stuff, the like string printer kind of stuff. There's some tanks. Some more tanks. Some little shields and stuff. Yeah. I guess now is a good time as any. I'm going to be nice to you, Jay. And there's this one. You know, this thing has reel riders on it, Jay, and I probably should take those off because they're such nice looking reel riders. But I told you I was going to send you a turd, Jay, and that's what you're getting. Yep. You're getting a car with a turd on it. It's nice it comes off, you know. It's a Ford Super Deluxe with turd. So I'm looking forward to seeing you somehow work a turd into your build. On that note, Jay, I think this is about as crappy of a box. Yeah, I'll throw some more guns in here. Maybe, yeah, some more tanks and stuff. Well, I don't think there's any question. This is a crappy box. Jay, God help you. Have a good time with this. And I'm looking forward to what you build with it. See you guys later.